Yo, what's good, guys? Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get off beat block, because as music producers, there are times whereby we want to work, but we don't have that ideas. Ideas are not just coming, and you might just be worried that I hope everything is all right. I'm gonna be showing you a quick way you can actually just get off beat block. All right, so let's go right into our DAW. I was working on this beat, and trust me, I feel like this beat is okay, but I just still feel like it needs a little spice. It needs something, maybe some live instrumentation, and going through splice to just find a sample might just take me a lot of time. So I'm just going to show you a way you can actually get samples that is just going to fit into the vibe you are creating. Okay, so let's just listen to this vibe I have already, and like I said, it's a very nice vibe. Yep, very nice vibe, but as you can see, it's just repeating the same thing all through, and I need some part to have that little spice. So what I can do right now is to just export this vibe that I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna export everything like this. Let's export it as wave. I'm just gonna save it on my desktop, and quickly what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up Ace Studios. So Ace Studios has built in a lot of amazing new features. They've imputed some nice ethical AI element into their DAW. So that's what I'm just gonna be using, right? So I'm just gonna go over to Ace Studios, drag in that sample, and let's see how we could get some nice samples which we could drag and drop instead of having to go through splice looking for sample. And trust me, this way is just gonna take off that beat block from you, because ideas is just gonna be plenty. All right, so Ace Studios is open up here, and I'm just gonna drag in that sample. Like I said, quickly just drag in that sample, and we have the sample right here. Let's listen to it. Yep, nice. So I'm just gonna put in my tempo. I think tempo is 100, very important. So whatever sample you're generating is on the right tempo, right? So we have like a 16 bar loop here. So what I can do is, like I said, they've added some new AI tools into Ace Studios. Most of them are still in the beta stage, so at times you might not just get the perfect sample you're looking for, but between 2 or 3 generations you should be able to get the amazing sample you need. You can come over here. I'm just gonna go to another layer, because another track. Just come over here and just see some new AI tools. There's Inspire Me, there's Voice Changer, there's Stem Splitter. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select a region. Let's say for this first 8 bars I want like maybe a trumpet solo, right? So I'm just gonna select that region, right click, and you're gonna see this AI tools, and you're gonna see add a layer. So with this layer we could add instrumental, we could add stems or sample loop, and that's actually what I need. So and they've broken it down into drum, bass, guitar, keyboard, percussion, strings, synth, brass, woodwinds. So let's go over to the brass section, for example. With the brass, I just want maybe a simple trumpet solo, and I'm just gonna hit on generate. So it's just gonna listen to what I've imputed there and try to generate a trumpet solo that's gonna fit in with the vibe. And like I said, this is still in beta, they're still working on it, so most times you might not get the perfect generation with one try, but trust me, with 2 or 3 you should be getting an amazing loop. All right, so it's done generating, and let's just hear what it has generated. So that I could still take it into FL Studio and chop it, but you can see how we have just easily gotten a nice trumpet solo. Not something I would have thought of, but we have this now. Let's bring it down. Maybe I could add in some reverb. So let's just turn on the reverb. Yep, so you can see we have something nice, so we could you can see how it has just added that spice to the beat for me. I could add another layer, could select different regions you like. Let's say you want here, we'll come over to the Inspire Me, or no, let's come over, right click, tools, add a layer, and you could select different percussions. You could select percussion, woodwinds, whatever. You could select another region, and when you're done with all your creations, you could export each of these layers and then drag it back into FL and mix it up with the beat you're making. So there's one way you can just get really inspired and, you know, get off having beat block. If you still want to be creative during your beat block period, right? So let's just listen to this trumpet again. Nice, amazing. I'm gonna download this later, but before then, let me show you another new feature, which is called the enhanced music, right? All right, so let's say I have this beat and I just want to reimagine this beat in a different style. I want to see how this beat is gonna sound, maybe like with R&B, with drill. You can actually do that right in a studio, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here and just come to this more tools. Let's see, yeah, music enhancer. You can see it's still in the beta stage, so I'm gonna do new enhancement and I'm just gonna select everything that is on the playlist, right? Let's do select the whole song. So it has selected everything. I'm just gonna hit on continue. So it's gonna take us to another layer where I'm gonna try to like reimagine this song, maybe R&B style. Then maybe I'm gonna try drill also. Just try different genre of music that, you know, I won't try normally, to hear what it's gonna sound like. So let's just analyze and then we go hear what it has done. Okay, so yeah, it's done. This is the beat here. Nice. So it has automatically generated a style here, a soulful R&B track with moderate tempo and a smooth laid back feel. So let's just see this vibe in that aspect. That might change it also, but let's just generate. So it's going to generate 2 generations for us, so we hear what it sounds like. All right, so it's done generating. We have 2 versions. Let's just listen to what it sounds like. The first one. Yeah, so if you can listen, you can see that it's actually the same chord progression, you know, but just it has reimagined it in a different genre, which is R&B. Okay, let's listen to the second one. Yeah, so I think I like this. So I could actually take some elements from this one and add it to my own generation too. So I'm just going to export the master. Let's just put it as trumpet. It has exported. So let's go open up FL Studio and I'm just going to drag in that loop, right? Just drag in that loop. So let's say at this point. Yeah, Ben, so guys, that's just how you can actually just use, you know, these new features, these new AI features in Ace Studios, right? Like I said, the add layer feature is really amazing, because you can select different regions. Select here, add a layer. I could decide to add any of this instrument here, just give it a description and it generates it. I could come over, select another region, let's say select here, you know, right click, add a layer, you know, explain what I want, and it just generates that, which is actually a very quick way of getting any sample you actually want. Just sit as a co-producer, something that is just by your side, asking it, say, okay, do this for me, and it does for you. So for me, I feel like this is amazing. So guys, you definitely want to go check out Ace Studios, you know, amazing features that they've put in Ace Studios, and I would love you guys to go try. The link description is in the description of this video. Go check it out, guys, and you know, thank me later, and see you guys in the next one, and have a wonderful new year, guys. Peace.